8,000 kilograms. Let that sink in for a second. General Motors Specialty Vehicles just dropped an absolute bombshell for Australian truck owners, announcing that the Chevy Silverado 2500 HD is getting a monumental towing upgrade. We are talking about a jump to a staggering 8-ton brake towing capacity. That is not just a minor tweak, it is a complete game changer that officially moves American heavy-duty trucks into serious commercial territory down under. But here is the catch: you cannot drive it on a normal car license anymore. So how did they pull this off? Up until now, pulling anything over 4.5 tons on a standard tow ball required massive aftermarket engineering loops and complex legal compliance. Now, GMSV has partnered directly with Walkinshaw in Melbourne to offer a factory-backed, genuine fifth-wheel hitch option. This isn't bolted on at a local dealership as an afterthought. It is completely engineered and integrated directly into the truck during the right-hand drive remanufacturing process at the Clayton facility. Best of all, the entire setup is completely covered by Chevy's 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty, giving you peace of mind while hauling massive loads. To safely handle 8 tons of steel and rubber, GMSV isn't just throwing a hitch in the back. This package completely transforms the truck. It brings a factory-integrated air brake system to keep heavy loads under control, a heavily reinforced chassis paired with a dedicated tub-mounted attachment plate and trailer brake air lines alongside front-of-truck bed-mounted connectors. Inside the cabin, you will also find a suite of new interior dashboard controls and warning lights to keep everything monitored in real time. Now, this heavy haul capability is slated for models built from Q3 2026, and it does not come cheap. GMSV is offering 2 distinct setups depending on what you're hauling. First, there is a 3-inch gooseball setup priced at 18,000 Australian dollars including GST. Second, you can opt for a 50mm pin coupling option for 20,000 Australian dollars. Yes, it is a premium price tag, but for hotshot transport drivers, heavy machinery haulers, or people towing massive fifth-wheel luxury caravans, it completely bypasses the traditional headaches of third-party compliance. But here is the absolute most crucial piece of information you need to know before putting down a deposit. Once this package is fitted, the Silverado 2500 HD is officially reclassified as an NB2 variant. That means your standard car license will no longer legally cut it. To drive this beast on Australian roads with this package, you must hold a heavy vehicle truck license. No exceptions. Is an 8-ton factory towing capacity overkill, or is this exactly what Australia's heavy-duty market has been begging for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you would get a truck license just to pull this kind of weight. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Aussie automotive news.